The day you left me, an angel cried. Oh, she cried. An angel.
Do I look like her yet?
Every night and every day, it's just a part of our face with you. All the times I wanna stay, it's just a second to.
Okay guys, so the first thing that we're gonna need for this Ariana inspired hair tutorial, which honestly it can work for curly hair girls, straight hair girls, anybody, because everybody I've seen that's been doing this video, like these types of videos, have straight hair. As you see, my hair is pretty curly, pretty wavy. I mean, the front is heat damaged and straight, but yeah. So if you have curly hair like me, the first thing you're gonna want to do is brush it out. Right here I just have my
Too fast, but this one gon' last. 'Cause her name is Aubrey, and I'm so good with that. She taught me love, she taught me patience.
So now my hair is brushed out and I have this huge puff. I'm gonna put some of my Chi hair protectant spray. I don't know if you can see it. Let me like try to get it to focus a little bit. Okay, yeah, so you're gonna use some of my Chi protectant spray, or like serum or whatever, and I'm gonna put it on my hair, and then I'm gonna blow dry. And we're only doing this just for like shine and moisture, and so like your hair isn't gross afterwards, because nobody wants that. Even if you have straight hair, like I suggest that you put some type of serum on your hair, because it'll just work better and look shinier overall. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair really quick. Okay, so now that that's done, as you guys can see, I didn't blow dry my hair with the intent to straighten it. I just sorry.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get it.
Before that happened, I just blow dried my hair with the intent to get it like less wavy and curly, so it can be more slick. So now after that step, what you're gonna do is part your hair, because I'm gonna do what she's been doing lately, how she's been having a high pony with the side part. You can part it however low you want. I know like I want a pretty deep side part, so yeah. So I'm gonna part it about right here, so I know I'm gonna lay it down below, at least right here. Everybody's different though, and everybody likes it different, but
Thought I'd end up with Sean.
heard it. You can hear it on my lips. Don't wear lip gloss when you're doing this, because we're just gonna leave it. Okay, so what you're gonna do is just braid this.
One taught me patience and one taught me pain. Now I'm so
And then you're just gonna clip it. If I could find my clip that I really had 10 seconds ago. I can't find my clip. That's cool. Of course, I would lose my...
2 hours later.
Oh, here it is. It's right here. I was gonna say, like, only I would lose the clip when I'm trying to film a video. Okay, so then just clip it. Make sure everything else is out of the way. And now we're gonna start brushing our hair for the pony.
spend more time with my friends. I ain't worried about nothing. Plus I met someone else. We having better discussions. I know they say I move on too fast, but this one gon' last.
We're gonna use our beeswax. It's Mary's beeswax. It's really good. And we're gonna put a generous amount of this on our hair because it slicks down your hair. It slicks it back very nice. It's good for kinky, curly-headed girls and also for straight hair girls. And then you're just gonna brush it with your bristle brush, so like a normal bristle brush, and just slick it back.
Grateful for life. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, I'm so fucking grateful for life. Grateful for life. I'm so fucking grateful for life.
Okay, so now that I pretty much have my ponytail and like it's slicked back, I'm gonna use one more product that'll just like really lay it down. And it's my Eco Styler gel, the green kind. You can use whatever kind you want, but I just prefer the green kind for this.
Hold a hand on my mama. I'll be thanking my dad, cause she grew from the drama. Only wanna do it once real bad. Call me cause you last. God forbid something happens. At least this song is a smash. I got so much love, got so much patience. I've learned from the pain. Turned out amazing. Let's say I'm overlost, but that's not what I see. Look what I found. No need for searching. Give all that I'll say. Thank you, next, thank you, next. I'm so fucking grateful for life. Thank you, thank you, so thank you, next. I'm so fucking grateful.
And with like, if anything I feel is messed up, I'm just gonna take a little bit more gel. And I'm just gonna brush it back just to ensure that everything's nice and sleek, because Ari's ponytails are really sleek. Like, I can show you an example. Let's see. Sis always has nice ponytails. Okay.
Thought I'd end up with Sean, but it wasn't a match. Wrote some songs about Ricky, now I listen and laugh. Even almost got married, and for Pete I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, 'cause he
Still.
was an angel.
So now you're gonna take out this piece
One taught me patience,
and you're gonna brush it out.
taught me pain. Now I'm so amazing.
Just make sure like it's how you wanted it to be. And because like very
Really, nigga?
sorry guys.
I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, next, thank you, next, thank you, next. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Fucking grateful for my ex. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Fucking grateful for my ex. I'm so fucking spend more time with my friends.
Okay, so now that this is laid down, I'm just gonna press on it and find out how I want it to lay.
'Cause her name is Aubrey, and I'm so good with that. She taught me love, she taught me patience, how she handles pain. That shit's amazing. I've loved and I've lost, but that's not what I see. Look what I found. No need for searching. Give all that I'll say. Thank you, next. Thank you, next. Thank you, next. I'm so fucking grateful for life. Thank you, next. Thank you, next. Yes, I'm so fucking grateful for life.
Ari always has nice little edges, so I'm just gonna take this little edge brush like this, and I'm just going to and that's that. So now for like the showstopper of this, the ponytail. Right here behind me. So this is my insert name here, hair. And pretty much it's the 35-inch long drawstring pony. It's called Ari. She's like very, very long. I got it in the color brown black. I'm just gonna brush it. One thing you should always do with this hair is make sure you brush it. It can withstand heat up to like 420 degrees. Oh no, up to 400 degrees it said on the website. So that's what this bun was for. So pretty much when you look inside, there's this. You're going to put this on your bun, open it. I'm gonna put the front glass in and press. Did a little. Now usually people would wrap hair around the pony, but I'm not gonna do that because I feel like it looks so natural and it looks so nice, and it's so long. I'm gonna show you guys. So pretty much I'm pretty short and the pony ends about right here on me. I'm just gonna brush it a little. That's how you get an Ari pony. It's really cute. But I'm gonna just hairspray my hair and add some accessories and stuff, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back, and I just added this cute little pearl hairpin from Urban Outfitters. And I also added these like cute little pearls. But pretty much that's the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys watch my other videos, and please subscribe. I'm just starting, so editing and everything will get so much better, but thank you guys so much.